Hello everyone, this is Joe from JustSockz again, and this is our second tutorial on how to use the custom JustSockz customizer to design your very own personalized custom socks. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the personalized socks and show you the differences between the multiple different design options that we do offer. So if you go to the JustSockz website, www.justsockz.com, once you're on the homepage, you can go to shop. Here you're going to see a few different options that we currently offer. One is a personalized sock design. The second is create your own custom sock. And the third option is a professionalized custom sock design, which is custom designed by our professional designers. We've just recently released the new options to create your own custom socks. If you're interested in creating one with graphics and text, please take a look at our other video, how to create a custom sock design, which is currently available in the FAQs or within the content of the Create Your Custom Sock description. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a personalized sock design. So once you get to the sock, click the Customize button. Here you're going to see our socks and the personalized sock designs allow you to create designs that are on the side of the socks. So everything that's on the left or the right side will be printed the exact same way. So for example, say I had customized here and I wanted my own socks on the other sock, I can do something like that. And I'll show you that in this tutorial. So once we're here, we're going to click Customize. Now, in the personalized socks, this allows you to take a white pair of socks and add your own personalized text to the socks. Here, we'll click the Add Text button. We're going to put My Custom Socks. We're going to add that. Just for you. Now, let me click X button. So we have two different layers here. We have My Custom Socks, just for you. And we'll swap these around here just like that. And we'll take it and we'll turn them just like this. So this allows you to change the direction of the text that you're writing, as well as where you want them positioned onto the socks. Here, we'll click this one. We'll adjust it this way. We'll increase the size. Just for you. Now, one thing to note, the font size of the text that you're putting onto the socks could be different. Now, what you see here, this one's 64 font size, this one's 46 font size. The reason for that is because of the amount of characters within your description or the words that you're actually putting in. So please keep that in mind as you're creating your personalized socks, so that you know that the font on the socks might be a tad bit differently depending on how you're trying to custom design the sock. So what I was saying earlier, our socks in this particular design are printed from side to side. So one side will have Just for You, the other side will have My Custom Socks. We flip the socks back and forth. So one side will say Just for You. On the back side of this particular sock, it'll say For Custom Socks. And it'll be exactly the same way on the other sock. So you can create this. You can create any type of text that you want. We actually have the ability to change some of the fonts for you as well. So you can pick different fonts that you want. Here we're going to go ahead and select Arial. That changes it like that. If you want to change the color of the font, you can click this little button here. That'll allow you to change the color of the font. As you see there. So now we have red and blue. Any type of words that you want, you can easily change and customize onto the socks. If you want the words to go across the top of the sock, please note, it will be a little bit small. They are still legible. You can still read them, but If you want something to really stand out, maybe going up and down, however you decide to customize it. If you try to put a lot of words onto a sock, that may be a little bit difficult and hard to read. So we do recommend going up and down, but if this is the way you want it, you can easily do that. You can even change it and kind of go diagonal. Whichever works for you, however you want your custom sock design, you can easily do that. So if you wanted to come down towards the foot, you can do it like that as well. Whatever you want that design to be. So in this particular personalized sock design, it allows you to put text only in any colors that you desire. It's pretty simple to design. Once done, click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. Once your socks have been successfully checked out, at that point it's sent to our custom designers for us to print and ship your custom socks. Typically, they will ship out in 1 to 2 business days. Hope this video was informative. Hope this answers all your questions. If you should have any problems, please email us at sales@JustSockz.com. Thanks again, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.